Hi, have you ever had problems with date formats in Microsoft Excel? Well, in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to address this in a few simple steps. Hi, I'm Jafari, welcome. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be looking at a table of events for which I'll be using Microsoft Excel to change the date format. The current date format consists of month followed by day followed by year. Oftentimes we would like this to be day followed by month followed by year. This would be very difficult to change manually if it were many lines of data. And this is where Excel conversion comes in very handy and will save a lot of time. Let us change our date format by first highlighting all the data. Right click, go to Format Cell, select Number tab and select Date. Here we will see more date format options. Checking here for our day, month, year format, and nope, it's not there. So our next step needs to be to change our location, as our current location is English United States. So let's select English United Kingdom, which will provide the date format that we are looking for. As you have seen just now, there are many other locations available, such as Canada, Australia, and the Caribbean. However, we have selected English United Kingdom as this will give us the desired date format. Going through the different date formats, we can see the change in our sample window above, and the date format that we're looking for is this option. So we will click OK and we should see our change in column I. And there you have it. Our date format has been changed to day, month and year. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.